Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And today I'm unboxing Makartt August Your Nail Lab in a box. And I'm super excited. Once again, they killed it. So let's just get into this and see what they gave us this month. So as usual, they just give us this little, thank you card talking about all the curated items in the box this month with a little 15% off coupon code. And let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in. The two poly gels that were in the box this month, and that is Diamond Dust and Peach. And they were $11.99 each. They are 30 ml bottles. So they're about half the size of what their typical, large standard bottles are. But honestly, if you can get through a full bottle of polygel, good for you. Okay, so this is the peach. And I think that is quite pretty. Honestly, as just like a cover nail, like a really nice cuticle color, just like a nude overlay over your natural nail. Like if you weren't trying to extend your nail, I think that would be a really nice color. And then this one is Diamond Dust, and it just looks like a gray polygel with a darkish glitter inside. Not sure if it's iridescent or hollow or anything like that yet, so we shall see. The thing that I kind of hate about when they give you a lesser amount, I feel like they put it in a bigger bottle, so you have to squeeze really hard to get it out. So this is just a translucent polygel with some silver glitter inside, but still really pretty. Very versatile. Moving along. I feel like this thing was just packed full of goodies this month. Again, I do the $35 box, so I may get some extra items that you did not get. This is the Makartt Matte Top Coat Collection, and it comes with a matte top, a top coat, and a base coat. And these are all 10 milliliter standard bottle sizes. Of course, it comes with instructions on how to use them. I actually do like their matte top coat. I think it's really nice. I feel like it's more on that velvety side, which in my opinion is a little more intense than a matte. But this whole set was $15.99, which is not that bad considering a single polish sometimes is $9.99 for them. So it's a pretty good deal on this little set. Comes in their standard box. So if you know, they already tell you what's in the boxes, so it's not a surprise to me. So lately I've just been opening the box, getting all the information about it, so that way, I'm more prepared before I open it. But this is the Fam Life manicure kit. It came in this box here, and it just has an instruction booklet. I opened it up because this is actually found on Amazon, not on Makartt's website, and there were multiple ones to choose from. I actually think this is quite pretty casing. It's a pink, it's not really velvet. I wouldn't really know how to explain what this material is, but it's nice and soft. And it's really big, and there are a lot of things in here. Your typical nail stuff, like cuticle, nail clippers, but then there's things for your face here as well. There is this blackhead extractor thing, and then there's an earwax cleaner doohickey. If you're not supposed to stick Q-tips in your ears, are you supposed to stick a metal rod? I don't know. But I thought it was really cool that they included this in the box because I feel like Makartt does a really good job of including items not just to use nail polishes and polygels, but also things that you need in order to prepare your nails for those things. The Fam Life manicure kit was $12.78 off of Amazon, and I checked that yesterday. Oh yes, so they included this really cute gift this month, which were these butterfly earrings. I don't know if they're I don't know if I would wear these because they're huge, and I feel like I don't have any hair right now, so I would look ridiculous with this, but they are really cute. I do love butterflies, so maybe at some point, in time I would get to wear these, but not really, probably not now, but they are pretty cute. And these were $6.98. Again, I'll post a picture. I found these on Amazon. They don't sell them on Makartt, obviously. But if you look in the description on the Your Nail Lab website, it does mention that they include free gifts with your box as well. So I would assume these two things are the gifts that they're giving you, which I actually think is nice. They gave eyelashes last month. I think it's a nice, something extra because you don't really get to choose what's in your box. I think it's cool to have some cute little extra items. Next item is a gel polish we got 2 of these, so I'll just grab the other one. These I could not find anywhere. I don't know what collection they belong to. I just found like some other single polishes that were the same size, and so I believe they're $9.99 each. I hate ripping the boxes, but sometimes they're so hard to get out of here. Okay, there we go. Come on. Okay, these are called, if my old ass can see, Foreplay and Seduction, and they are both just some nice pink shades. This is like more of like a peachy shade. I'm gonna put it right next to this polygel. Nice. That's really pretty, actually. That's sort of up my alley of like the brightest pink that I would go. I think I've mentioned I'm not like, it's not that I'm not a fan of pink. Like, obviously I wear pink sometimes and things like that, but I don't really wear like bubblegum pink, like Barbie pink often on my nails. It's not typically a shade that I gravitate towards, but if I were going to choose, I probably would choose that one if anything. But they are really nice, and I believe this is their new packaging, and these are 8 milliliter bottles, so they're about half the size of like the regular ones, like the duets that they sent last time, the black and whites. I think they were like 12 milliliter, if I'm not mistaken, 10 or 12. So anywho, moving right along. Okay, so this is another item that I couldn't find on their website. I couldn't even find it on Amazon, but you guys know that you can find glitters like this for like pretty inexpensive. Like, I'm gonna say probably like $5 to like $7 for a pack like this. But if I'm not mistaken, I think these are glow in the dark, which is really, really cool, and I honestly cannot wait to test them out. And I think what I'm going to do this month is actually recreate one of the looks that they did on their Instagram page. Just want to see something. Yeah, see, like, these aren't really cases. Like, the minute that you go to lift, well, this one's a little better than the other one, but the other one I literally dropped all over the place that we got last month. I mean, these are really nice. It's like all over my hand now, if you can't see. I will definitely be using them. I'm a sparkle girl. I love glitter. Anything glitter. Like, yes, that is my aesthetic when it comes to nails. So I'm just gonna leave that there because there's another one in here also that they included, and it is just some stars. Now, see, I don't know if it's these ones that are glow in the dark or those ones. I'm not 100% sure. Either way, these are super cute, and I will definitely use them. So it looks like they're varying sizes, you know, starting from small, medium, large. I'm so sorry for the noise. If you're wearing headphones, I apologize. Or maybe it's like some ASMR to you. I don't know. Whatever your thing is. They're kind of hard to see on camera because they're like almost translucent, but they have like a really pretty iridescence to them. So I am actually pleasantly excited. No, that doesn't make sense. I'm just excited, all right? Woman, get it together. And the last item are these little metal decals. Again, couldn't find these on their website. I found like a 4-pack with these and like some other ones on Amazon for like $9.99. I know these are not expensive. They're just not. I mean, you can get them for like $1 on like Shein and stuff like that. But I don't mind it because they've included 2 polygels and a polish and like another kit to help you like do all of your nail art together. So it doesn't bother me that they've included, you know, items like this. These are actually cute. So you know what I got, and I saw Emily, I think it's Suzanne or Susanna. I'm so sorry if I said that wrong. She bought this thing that you put these in and it like bends them. So I just bought one on Amazon for like $4. So it actually bends them to curve to your nail. However, some of these look a little curved. I want to take one out and look at it because if they are, that's amazing. Because most of these things come flat and then you can't really put them on your nail. Yeah, they have a little bit of a curve to them, which is pretty awesome. Not much, but it's there. Enough that it could sit on your nail and you could encapsulate it nicely. I mean, you could probably bend it a little more with your finger, but the fact that it already I bent it with my fingers. But the fact that it already has that slight curvature to it means that someone was like paying attention, you know, like they knew that people would be putting this on their nails. You know, our nails are naturally curved, most of us, especially if we do extensions, they're not flat. So I like that they have a little curve to them so you can actually use them. So I believe That is all that is in the box this month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tally all of this up, bring everything back out so we can take a look at it and give my final thoughts. Okay guys, so overall I am actually really excited about this. There are a lot of things and a lot of like ideas in my head of what I could do with all of this stuff. Like I said, I think what I'm gonna do is recreate one of the looks that they did on their Instagram page using this stuff, because I thought it was like absolutely stunning. It might be a little bit of a challenge for me, so I'd like to sort of, step out a little bit and try new things. And that's why I like Makartt's boxes. I feel like they just do a really good job of giving you things to not only push you, but help you practice and excel a little bit more in the practice of doing nails and nail art. Now, for the total this month, I did kind of give a little generous, amount to these things, $6.99, $7.99 here and there. So total we have $95.70 this month, which again is just amazing. I pay $35 for this box every month, and every month I am just ecstatic and really blown away and happy that I have like new things to add to my collection that I will use and I will enjoy. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned. Keep an eye out for the video when I do go ahead and play with this stuff. And if you ever recreate any look that I have done, please tag me on Instagram. It's Luxe Nails by Jen. Don't forget to go follow me there and check out my website. I've got a lot more information about everything that I use on like a day-to-day basis and a lot of my favorites there. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!